Windows is packed with hidden tools you probably never use, but once you know them, you'll feel like a pro. I'm talking about features that save time, boost performance, and make your PC experience so much smoother. Here are 5 of my favorites. Clipboard history. Press Windows plus V to open clipboard history. It stores everything you copied, text, images, links, all in one place. No more losing copied text when you hit Control plus C twice. Number 2, Focus Sessions. Open your clock app, go to Focus Sessions. It helps you work in timed intervals with built-in Spotify and to do integration. It's great for editing sessions or coding marathons. Number 3, Power Toys Fancy Zones. Download Microsoft Power Toys from the store, open Fancy Zones. It lets you split your screen into custom zones. Perfect for multitasking. Drag windows into place and watch them snap perfectly. Number 4, File Explorer tabs. Finally, File Explorer now supports tabs, like a web browser. Just press Ctrl plus T to open a new tab and navigate multiple folders easily. Finally, number 5, Quick Access Search Commands. Press Windows plus R and type shortcuts like temp or msconfig. These open hidden system tools that let you clean up space or manage startup apps in seconds. I use these every day now, and honestly, it makes Windows feel faster and smarter. Once you start using them, you'll never go back. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe, and check out my next video, Hidden Windows Shortcuts that'll blow your mind. You'll be amazed how much time you'll save.